Hi, if you wanna enable and disable developer options on your Redmi Note 14 5G, then open Settings. Here find About Phone tab, and now you need to tap 7 times on this OS version. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm a developer, so to check this, just go back in main settings from which choose additional. Now scroll down again and find your developer options. Here you'll find many features which you can customize. For example, you can find here USB debugging. You can enable it or disable by tapping on the switcher. Also, you can find this feature automatic system updates. So if you want for your phone to apply updates when this device restarts, you can enable it by tapping on the switcher. And after you are done changing this developer options tab, you can disable it at all. For that, just scroll up and tap on the switcher near developer options. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.